Hey guys, welcome back. We are here chilling with your girl Superhero JJ and Antonia here in the building. As you guys can see, it's all about our Riuland Michael Jackson party with the kids. And JJ was out in her beautiful dress and all the kids were there. And we were dancing to some popular music and some popular dances by Michael Jackson. And as you can see, we get the kids on stage and they were dancing with our mascot here at Rio, Ocho Rios. That is our turtle. That is Calu. Yes, the kids were having a fun night. It was all about Michael Jackson. It was all about dancing. It was all about who's bad. Hee hee. Yes, as you can see on the stage, the kids, they are ready. They are out in their numbers. And I am there. That's me talking. And I'm telling all the kids it's time to get.
Heal the world, make it a better place for you and for me and the anti-human race. There are people dying. If you care enough for the living, make a better place for you and for me.
Heal the world.
Heal the world, make it a better place for you and for me. And
It is all about our cocktail and raffle going on at 8:30 right here. We have a little line dancing session for each and every one. 9 o'clock